What's up? Welcome back. It's Lucy's crew. Today got my brother Jack with me. Guys, we just posted a video on his channel. Make sure to check out Jack's crew. Today we're going to teach you guys how to do some chalk art. So
first step,
we made one of those over here already. It's really cool. So to start, you need to make a square or whatever design you're gonna make for your chalk art.
and then you're gonna do any designs you really want.
And then I think we should time lapse this part, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna time lapse this part of making a design. You can make like triangles by just going across, and it's really cool. So I'm gonna time lapse this part. So guys, we had to cut out the last part because someone called me, but here we go. This is what it looks like. Make sure that you step on it, the tape, to make it secured. And now you're gonna pick up.
This, not Lucy.
Well, I'm a cameraman.
I did the whole time.
And now I think we should start doing the chalk.
It's starting to rain, so don't let the chalk kind of get like too wet.
Yeah, but it's starting to sprinkle. It's only sprinkling.
So now you're gonna get any piece of chalk. We don't like using the same chalk.
Yeah, you can use different colors because
And then you color it in.
here's all of our chalk. We need to get more chalk, I think. I'm gonna use this, and you're gonna just color it in any colors you want. You can use 2 colors. You can use all the colors you have. If you have a little bit, we made a big one over there.
100%.
Alright guys, someone did call again. I'm coloring in this orange color. That's coloring in his orange color. And it's kind of raining, sorry. But you know, who cares? It's not raining that much. There you go. Some tape. Me and my brother made a ball
You know what?
of
Should
tape.
we stop it?
Here we go.
So should we stop it and then show them at the very end?
No, let's just keep going. We'll time lapse some of the part, but not the whole thing.
Yeah, I got some blue and brown in.
So Jack got already 2 squares. I'll put it on you because it seems like you're going really fast.
There we go.
So should we time lapse the rest?
Put it behind the, like this, so it doesn't get wet.
Let's time lapse the rest.
Okay.
Guys, we're going to put on time lapse so it can go really fast and then show you guys the finished product at the end. We will show you guys when we peel off all the tape. It's kind of satisfying. So yeah, let's go to time lapse. Guys, we're all done. Now we're going to peel off all the tape and see what it actually looks like. And then we're going to add it to our ball of tape. You guys don't have to make one. Oh, we've made a lot more, so I can't get one. Broke.
Oh, please on the ball tape.
Then you have the cameraman.
Alright, I'm going.
You can get the ball of tape. Wait, babe, we made quite a few of these, so we have quite a lot of tape.
We don't want to throw it in trash.
Yeah, we want to save the tape. The tape is getting extinct.
Looking forward.
There's a lot of tape on there.
There you go.
Okay. So guys,
Go back to the video.
here's the final reveal. It looks really cool. And hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. You guys probably already did because you guys are awesome. So, see you guys next time. Bye.
Make sure to check out Jack's crew.
Yeah.